ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಎಂಆರ್ಎಫ್ ಮೊಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಎಫ್ಎಂಎಸ್ಸಿಐ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ಶಿಪ್ 2025 ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಕುದೂರು ಹೋಬಳಿ ಹೊಸಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದ 6 ವರ್ಷದ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಯಾದವ್ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಗಡಿ ತಾಲೂಕು ಕುದೂರು ಹೋಬಳಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹುಟ್ಟೂರಾದ ಹೊಸಹಳ್ಳಿ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
If you've just joined us, hello and welcome to the MRF Mogrip FMC National. Welcome to the MRF Mogrip FMC National Supercross Championship 2025. We are live from Goa, and Vismeram has a lot of advice every time where he's able to mentor this folks. Surya be getting a lot of work on a gas 50. Vismeram is like, come on, win this one. You can do this, my friend. This is how you do it. Now, here is bike number 77. Dishithan, oil waving to the crowd. Then there is Sanjana Shri, comp number 31 on a KTM SX 50. So then, two wonderful folks under the age of 8 years. Oh, the crowd is getting involved. Hello and welcome to the MRF Mogrip FMC National Supercross Championship 2025. We've seen some epic rivalry between Ikshan Shanbag and Rugved Barguje and Prajwal Vishwanath. We also had Shlok Vikram Gorpade coming in to the contest. Right now we are looking at the demo there. This is comment number 77 as they get ready for their shot in the championship. This is also to tell you that we also got what is a whole shot? Somebody just texted out. So whole shot is the first rider who's off the line and the first to get to a marked turn. So one more time, it's a whole shot of the first rider off the line and first to get to a marked turn. This time we have marked, this is turn number 4. Between turn number 4 to turn number 5 is the marking for a whole shot. So it just gives you the perspective of who is in the lead and who's got a very good reaction time. Now it is somewhere here where we mark the whole shot. So comment number 77, Dishithan, following comment number 75. 75 in this case has the whole shot. This is turn number 6 into turn number 7. Last lap coming in. So let's watch turn number 1. This is last lap which is coming in now. Low right hander into turn number 1. You got to be extremely careful with the edges. That is turn number 2. Low left hander, berm doesn't have too much space. You go a little bit wide. You got to be extremely careful. Shlok Vikram Gorpade and Ikshan Shanbag found that out. Then you get into turn number 3, which is a left hander, 90-degree left hander, which brings in 2 single jumps. And then after you finish the first of the jumps, the second of the jumps, you approach the fast left-hander. You can take the inner line just like this one. Take the inner line, carry that speed, get a very good exit. So this is where between turn 2 exit all the way up to turn 4 and 5, you are able to, the bike can open its throttle. Comment number 75, Surya is going to go over the section of the whoops now. This is turn number 6 approaching. Turn number 7 is going to come in. So then, bike number 75, Surya from Bangalore on a gas 50 is going to have the checkered flag wave to him, and he does it in style. Well done, Surya. Bike number 75. We're now waiting for Dishithan, bike number 77, to cross the line. Here he comes, Dishithan from Chennai. He's going to cross the line, and here he crossed, bike number 77. Well done indeed. We've done 9 races on the track. We've got still the halfway mark. We've got the novice field, the SX1, SX2, SX3, and the Indian expert all to come for. So it is Surya V and Dishithan. This is for the demo class. Absolutely brilliant scenes here at Nevalim. Can we try and catch up with our young, lovely superstar?
My name is Surya. I am 6 years. I am 6 years old. I am from Karnataka, Shugange. I am riding gas 50cc. I love to race. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.